Today we will be testing the Zidni BullEngulf BearEngulf indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the Zidni BullEngulf BearEngulf indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 49 different strategies, with 13 of them being profitable. We've also tested a total of 559 indicators, with 236 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. And keep in mind that we test all these strategies and indicators on the Forex market, but they can be applied to just about any market universally. Alright, so today's indicator is the Zidni BullEngulf BearEngulf indicator. And so there's a few different parts to this. And so really what we are looking for are the tags. And let me go in and do this because it might be a tad bit hard to see. Thought that might work, but it doesn't appear it's going to allow me to change the color. So what I was trying to do is change the color of the uptrend labels. I know they're kind of hard to see. They're in yellow here. They say uptrend. And then we have these blue ones here that say downtrend. And so that's going to be the first thing that we are looking for. And so when we get a uptrend signal or an uptrend label here, then we are looking for a bull signal, a bull label, to then appear at some point after that uptrend label has appeared. Now, if price comes down and it shows a downtrend, then it cancels out that uptrend, and we then start looking for a bear signal. And so the uptrend and downtrend is giving us the overall direction of the market, the overall trend direction, and then the bear and bull signal is giving us the short-term candle pattern that is telling us when we should then be entering into the market. So I hope that makes sense. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of this. All right, so you can see our first signal is right here. So we have this uptrend right here that we are looking at, a few of them actually, but this one specifically, we've gotten that uptrend label that we are looking for. Price action then consolidates, kind of moves sideways for a while, and then right here we get that bull signal, or that bull label right there, telling us to then enter the market into a long position. And you can see that price action pushes up really nicely right there, getting us to the take profit. And so now you can see that we're picking up another uptrend right here. Now it doesn't have to be uptrend then bull signal. It can be uptrend and then get bull, 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 how many ever bull signals we get, and kind of continuation type trading as well. So just to make that a little bit clear. Let's go ahead and continue on. Okay, so the second signal that we pick up is a bear signal, a short signal right here. And so you see that we got that uptrend right there, but we did not pick up another bull signal. Price pushes down. We then get our downtrend label, then another downtrend label. Then shortly after this consolidation right here, boom, we get the bear signal, or the bear label right there, telling us to go short. Price action pushes down really nicely, getting us to the take profit that we are looking for. So what I'm going to do here is go ahead and fast forward the testing. That way things don't get too long, and we'll pick this up when we're at the end of the year. All right, so that puts us at the end of the year right there. Before we add these up, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below, as well as a link to our Discord. Once you sign up as a patron, it'll give you access to the Patreon only channel, where we post some really great advanced information about trading strategies, trading indicators, trading philosophy in general. Our admin Jay and some of the regular members post regular market analysis, where they put up screenshots of charts where they've marked out areas of support and resistance, indicators that they're using, exactly when they're entering trades, exiting trades, taking profits, the whole deal. They're growing small accounts really quickly with the information that they're putting out for everyone to see. And as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, you'll get access to the full list of indicators that we have tested, that we have recently had transferred over into an Excel sheet. And so you'll get access to the Excel sheet and the PDF of all the indicators, showing exactly which indicators were winners, which ones were losers, as well as their win rates. And you'll get access to a Excel sheet of all the strategies that we have tested. That shows exactly which strategies were winners, which ones were losers, their win rates, as well as links to go back and review those individual videos. And another new thing that we've been doing here recently is one of our other members has put together a small handful of profitable optimized indicators that we are giving away to all the patrons for free. So there is a ton of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel, and it doesn't cost hardly anything at all. I highly recommend it. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look at our indicator here. Hit everything in focus. There and there. Alright, let's go ahead and count these out and see what we got out of it. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So we have 10 trades all together, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 winning trades. And so obviously that is going to meet the 60% criteria. This indicator did all right. It gave 10 trades, and so that's a somewhat reasonable number in 1 year's time. My only complaint would be that it is already a full kind of trading system altogether, and so adding more indicators on top of it may not be beneficial. It may actually hurt it. And that goes on to my second point. It feels like it is slightly a little bit overfitted. That means that there were moments when it was giving, when trend was moving moving very well in a particular direction, but the indicator was not giving a signal to trade or enter in the market, which typically means that an indicator is overfit, has an overfit to the market, and means that it takes such a precise entry, such a precise criteria of things to all happen at the same time before it then gives a signal, and it often misses a lot of really good moves because it's just waiting for that very precise set of circumstances to happen, when in reality it should be a little bit looser. It should be entering the market and really catching each of these waves of momentum that are taking place. So that's kind of my 2 cents on it. Nonetheless, it is going to go on the yes list. Excuse me, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.